Hi, Andrew Winkels, Product Marketing Manager with Deutz-Fahr America. Here today to show you our 9340 Warrior. A lot of customers will be familiar with our 9340 product. It's a 336 engine rated horsepower tractor. Couple cool features on this tractor. It's 37 miles an hour at rated speed, built-in front disc brakes, so you've got the high-speed capability, premium cab. We're using the 7.8 liter Deutz engine. Most fuel-efficient tractor on the market when it's paired with our 4-stage CVT, built by ZF. So it's a German product inside and out, and we build it in our state-of-the-art factory in Germany. Another neat thing we're doing with the Warrior here this year, anyone who factory orders a Warrior Edition 7250 or 9340 Deutz is going to get airfare for two to go over to Germany and see their tractor be made. In addition to just the color change and the chrome accents, there's some additional creature comfort features that come with the Warrior. Automatically comes with the heated and air-conditioned seat, and it's absolutely top-of-the-line product. So we encourage you to check it out. If you have questions, visit one of your local dealers. If you're looking for your local dealer or have additional questions and want more information, visit our website, www.deutz-fahramerica.com.